Have you ever heard the planet hold its breath before a storm? Like an audience in wait, before the curtains are withdrawn. It's the gentle buzz of wild things, straining leaves towards the sky. The steady thrum of wings, taking their owners somewhere dry. Then for a second it's nothing, but the beat of nature's heart, until as though its lungs have burst, and the gray sky rips itself apart. And just like that, the earth's alive, as it collectively exhales. The wind whips through the trees, whilst they all bend beneath its wails. Then, as the first drop falls, there is a gasp and then a pause, before it seems the whole world breaks into a deafening applause.